Hey there, Tigger Herms here, Reproductive. Today I'll be talking about the male reproductive system with the Cowper's gland, prostate, testes, and penis. You're gonna learn today what sperm is. You were created by sperm. You were created by sperm. You were created by sperm. And so were you. Everybody was created by sperm. Even you.
Even me?
Yes. This dude was created by sperm. And so are you. Don't you want your DNA passed on? Well, with sperm that can happen. Eggs and sperm make life. Asexual reproduction, nobody wants that. Sperm is the way to go. See, you can live without the skeletal system. You can be an octopus. The brain, you can be a tree. Sexual reproduction is in the go. How do you think trees reproduce? Like an acorn goes into the ground, gets fertilized, all that crap, whatever. It grows. Sexual reproduction is the way to go. Now it's time to tell you how it happens. First, from the testes, it goes to epididymis. From then, it goes to vas deferens, to the prostate, where it then gets some stuff from the seminal vesicle. Then it goes down to the ejaculatory duct, which is where the prostate is. Then it goes down to where Cowper's gland is, where it gets some proteins for the sperm to survive outside of the penis. Then through the penis, out inside the vagina. Now, I'm gonna let CJ explain the rest.
Hey. So, once the sperm enters the vagina, it goes to the cervix, where it enters the uterus. From there, it enters the fallopian tubes, where... Let me get a little closer. It finds an egg to fertilize in the fallopian tubes. Hey there. Let's talk egg. First, an immature egg must burst through the ovary, so it can enter the fallopian tubes and be fertilized by sperm. After an egg is fertilized, it embeds itself into the uterine wall.
Hey there, let's talk diseases. First, the Peyronie's disease. What happens with the Peyronie's disease is that once you get your penis damaged, it starts to build tissue, which then the penis will start bend until it's completely sideways. Yeah, I've seen pictures of that. It's nasty. Anyway, it can be left, right, up, down, doesn't matter. Anyway, to prevent this, you gotta stop getting your penis damaged, protect it more, you know? Anyway, let's go to the next one. Hey there, let's talk diseases in the prostate. First is prostatitis. Usually, your prostate is about the size of an acorn, but once this happens, it becomes the size of your fist. That's a lot bigger. It hurts a lot, and only males have prostate, so only males can get it. Let's talk this way. You know how to prevent this? Well, first, you gotta have good hygiene to prevent all that bad bacteria from getting in there and make it swell up. It hurts a lot. You know what? I don't like this spot. Let's go right here. 50% of the men in the U.S. get this disease, so you're probably gonna get it, like 1 in 2 chance. So might as well get ready for it, you know. Anyway, let's talk other diseases. Let's go. I don't know. Let's go back here. Hey there. Now that I've told you about the prostate, let's talk Cowper's gland. The Cowper's gland helps sperm survive outside the penis by secreting proteins and nutrients. Yeah, but anyway, if this can become infected by an STD and the type of STDs are gonorrhea, chlamydia, a few others. You can prevent this by wearing a condom, and in some cases, they are curable, but some others, they aren't. But anyway, let's go to the next one. Oh, hey there. Now that I've told you about the Cowper's gland diseases, let's talk epididymitis. The epididymis is connected to the testes part of the male reproductive system, and it produces sperm. The epididymis holds the sperm that's immature until it's ready to go into the vas deferens to be ejaculated. The epididymitis will make your epididymis swell up and hurt a lot. It could damage sperm production, things like that. You can prevent this also by wearing a condom. Thank you, and have a good day.
Diseases in the female reproductive system match the usual reproductive tract infections such as AIDS and herpes. Ectopic pregnancy, in which a fertilized egg embeds itself anywhere but the uterine wall. Female sexual arousal disorder, which involves decreased, ineffective, and otherwise inefficient lubrication during sexual intercourse. I want you to know something first. If you might, when you buy a vagina, you might start bleeding profusely. Now, just so you know, this is normal, okay? what this is, it's a menstruation. It's a cycle that like gets all the gunk and bile and whatnot out of your vagina that's built up for reproduction, and you don't use it for reproduction at that point in time. Then it just flushes everything out. That's normal, okay? If a man does that, call 911 immediately. Do you hear me? That's not happening with a guy with a penis.
Now, I know you're thinking, why should I buy a penis? Well, I'm here to tell you, without the penis, scrotum, Cowper's gland, and prostate, you wouldn't be able to be here. You better thank them and call this number. Yeah, that's right. Call it.
But a male reproductive system cannot cannot reproduce alone. It needs a female reproductive system. That's where the womb and the vagina and all that stuff comes in. So, you need to buy both those. One for a male, one for a female, okay? Call this number to get your reproductive system today.